What is up, guys? Back again with another video of an unboxing. So today we got here the Anker ultra compact Bluetooth keyboard. Now I had the other version of the keyboard here from Anker. This one ended up stopped working on me, the arrow keys and the space bar and a couple of the keys here. So I ended up picking up this one. Alright, so let's go ahead and take a look at the box. So we got here the ultra compact Bluetooth keyboard, comfortable for typing for your computer, tablet, or phone. So I'm going to be using this keyboard with my Mac, and as you can see here, the Anker Advantage. I've used the keyboard before, and this keyboard was a fairly good keyboard. It ended up lasting me for about 2 years until it ended up going bad on me. So let's go ahead and get this out of the box. Alright, so got it out. As you can see here, it says Anker, power your mobile life. Nothing on the back, nothing on the sides. Alright, so first thing you're going to see when you open up the box is going to be the keyboard. It's going to say thank you for choosing Anker. Let's go ahead and get this keyboard out of here. What is this? Got a little bit of some paperwork. So not happy. Probably just gonna say send them an email or whatever. Just the basics, paperwork and stuff, showing you how to set it up. Then also inside of the box, I'm sure you're gonna get a charging cable, as you can see here, a white charging cable to go with a white keyboard. Alright, so let's go ahead and take a look at this keyboard. This keyboard is a little bit bigger than the other one that I have. Oh, it's got metal on it, so I'm really digging that. It's got kind of like a... No, can't really tell. It's like plastic, I believe now. Guess it's just cold from outside. This just came in the mail, so this is just cold. It had that cold metal feel. This keyboard is a little bit bigger than the other one, as you can see here, which that was one of the reasons why I got it, because this keyboard was just a little bit too small for my fingers. I like the Bluetooth keyboards. Let's go ahead and take this plastic off. Yep, and here on the sides it has a switch, which I'm not exactly sure. I'm guessing this is the power button or the power switch. And then you got here a micro USB, and there's nothing on the top, nothing on the sides. But on the bottom, it does have rubber grips on it, unlike this one. This one came with a couple of little rubber tabs or whatever, and it came with a little bit like a putty stuff. And eventually they ended up all falling off, so I wasn't able to use this keyboard anymore because it would always slide around as well. But this one comes with rubber little tabs on it, as you can see here on the corners in the middle and stuff. And the keys are really nice, as you can see. Has a little bit of travel in them, so you can actually tell that you're pressing down the key. But besides that, and as you can see here, it's also raised up a little bit. So that was one of the reasons why I got this one, because it's raised up and I'm not actually feel like I'm pressing on the desk. It's raised up kind of at an angle too, so my hands are up. But other than that, this is the Anker ultra compact Bluetooth keyboard. Catch you guys in the next one.